Assalamu. In this video, I will show you how to add solid line border to image in Word. Let's get started. Firstly, insert a image. Go to the Insert menu, click the picture icon and select your desired image. Now select the image, go to the picture tool and format menu, click the border icon and drop down menu, select the dash and line border. You can decrease border thickness and go to the again picture border thickness and more lines. Now increase the border thickness. You can change line style. Click the compound type, 1 line, 2 line, 3 line and triple line. You can change border color. Click the color icon and add the color. You can also add custom color. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.